What is the value of open parentheses 6 divided by 2 times 6, close parentheses, minus 5 times open parentheses 7 minus 3, close parentheses? Let's look at how people get tripped up on this problem. Some people correctly solve 6 divided by 2 times 6 inside the first parenthesis to get 18, but then they subtract 5 from 18 to get 13. Multiplying 13 by 4 gives 52, which is completely wrong, because subtraction was performed before multiplication. Other people look inside the first parentheses and multiply 2 times 6 first to get 12, giving 6 divided by 12 equals half. Then they subtract the product of 5 times 4, which is 20, to get minus 19.5, which is also wrong, because multiplication does not take priority over division. So let's solve this correctly using standard PEMDAS rules. Step 1. Work inside the first parentheses. 6 divided by 2 times 6. Because division and multiplication share equal priority, work from left to right. 6 divided by 2 equals 3, and 3 times 6 equals 18. Step 2. Work inside the second parentheses. 7 minus 3 equals 4. Now our expression is 18 minus 5 times 4. Step 3. Multiplication beats subtraction. 5 times 4 equals 20. Step 4. Subtract 20 from 18 to get our true answer of negative 2. Now let's tackle our second challenge. What is 2 plus open parentheses 10 divided by 5 times 2, close parentheses, times 3 squared? Here's the first trap. Many people evaluate the parentheses to get 4, but then add 2 and 4 first to get 6. Multiplying 6 by 3 squared, which is 9, gives 54. That's incorrect, because addition was forced before multiplication. Here's the second trap. Inside the parentheses, people take the product of 5 times 2, which equals 10, getting 10 divided by 10 equals 1. Then 2 plus 1 times 9 gives 11, which is also incorrect, because division came first from left to right. Let's solve 2 plus 10 divided by 5 times 2 times 3 squared the right way. Step 1. Parentheses first. Inside 10 divided by 5 times 2, move from left to right. 10 divided by 5 equals 2, and 2 times 2 equals 4. This gives 2 plus 4 times 3 squared. Step 2. Evaluate exponents. 3 squared equals 9. Now we have 2 plus 4 times 9. Step 3. Perform multiplication before addition. 4 times 9 equals 36. And step 4. Finally, add 2 plus 36, which equals 38. The correct answer is 38. Let's examine our final problem. 30 plus 30 plus 10 divided by 5 times 2. Trap number 1. After evaluating 30 plus 30 equals 60, people add 60 and 10 to get 70. Then 70 divided by 5 times 2 equals 28. That is incorrect, because addition was done before division. Trap number 2. After evaluating the parentheses to get 60, people multiply 5 by 2 to get 10 at the end, leaving 60 plus 10 divided by 10 equals 61. Also incorrect, because division precedes multiplication when reading from left to right. So let's now solve it the right way. Step 1. Handle parentheses first. 30 plus 30 equals 60. The expression becomes 60 plus 10 divided by 5 times 2. Step 2. Division and multiplication take priority over addition. Move from left to right. Division comes first. 10 divided by 5 equals 2. Now we have 60 plus 2 times 2. Step 3. Multiply. 2 times 2 equals 4. Step 4. Add. 60 plus 4 equals 64. The correct answer is 64. So to wrap up, keep these golden rules in mind whenever you evaluate complex expressions. First, resolve all parentheses and exponents completely. Second, handle all multiplication and division strictly from left to right as they appear. Third, complete addition and subtraction at the very end, working from left to right. Master these priority tiers, and you will solve every order of operations problem with total accuracy. Thanks for watching, and subscribe for more step-by-step math breakdowns.